Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by parking on a level surface, setting the parking brake, and letting the engine cool for at least 30 minutes. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts while working. Gather tools: a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, 6-inch extension, ratchet, swivel if needed, and a torque wrench calibrated to 13 lb-ft. Purchase correct OEM or equivalent plugs and verify each plug is gapped to 0.44 inches. Keep a clean rag, compressed air, and dielectric grease handy before beginning. Remove the plastic engine cover if present by unfastening clips or bolts. Remove each coil pack by unplugging connectors. Press the tab and pull straight out, then unbolt the coil and lift it from the well. Use compressed air to blow out debris from each spark plug well to avoid contamination. Fit the 5/8-inch socket on an extension, insert into the well, and loosen each spark plug by turning counterclockwise. Extract old plugs carefully and inspect threads and wells for oil or damage. Install new plugs by threading them in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Do not use the ratchet initially. Once finger-tight, use the torque wrench to tighten each plug to the Toyota spec of 13 lb-ft. Apply a small dab of dielectric grease inside each coil boot to protect from moisture and improve connection. Avoid anti-seize unless your plug manufacturer explicitly recommends it. Reinstall coils and engine cover, reconnect the negative battery. Start the engine, and confirm a smooth idle with no misfires or check engine lights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.